Good morning. Today is 16 Tuesday. Important news headlines. Two Indian High Commission staff abducted, released by Pakistan. 12-day complete lockdown in Chennai as cases spike. Karnataka changes rules. India-China military commanders hold talks. Ministers turns liberal to help neighbor. 7.5% quota for government school students in MBBS intake. Nepal move on altering map is unilliterate. Stocks difficult now. License for Chinese kids issued after validation. Drug control tells. Rice card holders, workers under labor boards to get 1,000 cash aid. Thousand 843 new cases, 44 deaths in Tamil Nadu. Kaveri water from Mettur reaches Upper Anicut. No whip was issued to OPS, 10 others to support me. PWD to start work on museum for Kiladi artifacts. Constituency declared vacant. In pandemic crisis, bridging the Gulf with West Asia. Curbs on people from Delhi, Tamil Nadu in Karnataka. Karnataka AP buses from tomorrow. Kerala may raise retirement age by 2 years. New norms for visitors student. SC states Green Tribunal's order in Visa gas leak case. India-China nuclear arsenals grow. There will be no conflict if Indian army doesn't enter. Doesn't enter our actual line of control. Rahul targets government on lockdowns. ICMR distance itself from study. Woman drags 100-year-old mother to bank on a cot. NCW records spike in domestic violence amid lockdown. Dilution of labor laws puts children at risk, activist. One Dhan Yojana helps Yojana helps tribals beat odds. Bank denies money due to two Assam girls. Trump needs to publish book with harrowing revelations. IAEA begin meet over Iran's and program. Johnson announced review into inequality. Roberts took it as a CA chief. Hima Das nominated for Galdatna. Daniel Berger has the last laugh. Hima Das nominated for Galdatna. It is important to remain positive, says national record holder Shiva. Carson's clutch show. Stock slide on rising infections from Business News. Luxury car segment to remain muted for some time. Pipeline tariff policy coming to raise share of gas in a energy basket. Today's news headlines over. Then